Hey beauties, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Darissa Rain, aka Riri, and I love the OG Ipsy bag. This is my March's Ipsy Glam bag. I have mine and my mother-in-law's. She is so gracious every single month, thank you, to let me use and see and kind of show her bag before she even gets to see it, so bless her. Mine is, I am comfortable with makeup, I am light skin with brown eyes and colorful hair, and I want more skincare than makeup. Hers is fair to light with green eyes, semi-comfortable with makeup, and she wants more makeup than skincare. You guys know I do not get any spoilers, that's just my thing. So that being said, we're gonna hop in. I'm gonna do her bag first. And if you're unfamiliar with Ipsy, this original OG one is $12 a month. You receive a small makeup cosmetics bag and then 5 travel try me size items. You do get lucky sometimes and get a full size item, okay? So, oh, that feels weird. I kind of always feel like that. Oh, that is really cool. Okay, the bag is hella cute. It's kind of like a deep tealy green with like a lime neon green, and then it has cool studs on it. That's what I felt. But the first thing that I see is actually a Luxie brush. This is the Luxie 640 Pro Precision Tapered Brush. She is absolutely gonna love that. She loves brushes. I love Luxie brushes so much. I've gotten a ton through the Ipsy shopper. So we're gonna open up her bag and we're gonna dive in. First up is a Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment in the shade Mother Nature. Of course, I cannot swatch these things, but I will show you guys what they look like. This feels very light. Ooh, very pretty too. She could use this. That's what the outer carton looks like. She could use this honestly as a shadow or as a highlight, like kind of in summertime. That's really, really beautiful. So far, so good. I think she's gonna like it, and it is so far more makeup based. This is a, Lord, Wander Beauty Trip to Costa Ray. Let me just take it out of the package. She won't mind. Oh gosh. Yeah, Trip to Costa Ray. I don't know what it is. Formulated without. I have no idea. This is what it looks like. And it has a little tiny piece of tape. I'm trying to be as cautious as I can because, again, this is not mine. I'm assuming is it a blush? Oh, I guess it's supposed to be like a bronzer. That's really pretty. And I think it's kind of geared toward more fair skin, so I think that that could work for her. Was there more items? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think there was more items maybe, and I don't have a card. Are they doing the same damn thing that, oh no, there's a card. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, so next is a Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation, BB Cream, and CC Cream Full Coverage Foundation with an SPF of 40, light neutral. That is pretty damn dope. I like that. That is really cool. I think she's gonna like this. I'm actually gonna look at her card and just cheat a little bit. I guess we did get 6. Are we getting 6 every month? Y'all know I don't check spoilers or anything, so oops. And it is Celebrate You, March 2020. I love that so much. Of course, it's my birthday month, so you know. I also see a Tatcha the Dewy Skin Cream. I think that she'll really like that as well. And then her last item is a Foxy Bay Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. That is what that looks like. So I think she got an even mix. She got the brush, the eyeshadow, and the bronzer as far as makeup. Then she got a hair product. Oh no, that's makeup too. The foundation, and then the Tatcha. I think this is a bomb bag. For real. Hopefully mine is just as good. There are months that I'm like so damn jealous. I'm like, no, her bag is so good. So I'm going to put everything back in her actual bag. And then we will talk about the products in her bag. And I normally like to try things on or at least swatch things, but I have a full face of makeup, so I'm not going to do that today. If there's ever anything though, if I know I'm going to keep it, if you guys want updates or anything like that, then let me know and I can update you guys. So the Luxie Beauty Periwinkle Pro Precision Tapered Brush is $24. The Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask. This is a deluxe sample, but the full size is $28.95. The Naked Cosmetics Pigment in Mother Nature. It is a full size and it's $14.99. The Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $68. The Wander Beauty Trip to Costa Ray Bronzer. The Wander Beauty Trip to Costa Ray Bronzer is a deluxe sample. The full size is $36. It does not say anywhere on there that is a bronzer. Not that I saw. The Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation. This is a deluxe sample also, and it is a retail of $38. So there again are her items from her box bag. I definitely think it's worth $12. I know a lot of people bitch and complain about Ipsy, but y'all, I'm an OG Ipsy girl. I love it. I've gone and bought little travel makeup bags from Walmart that were $6. So, I mean, when I think about it like that, I definitely do feel like, you know, you get your bang for your buck. I'm also excited for my freaking Boxy Luxe. And the reason I get Boxy Luxe, the reason I get Boxy Luxe is because I get it March and I kind of keep most of the stuff for myself, and then June is my mama's birthday, so I have things in the box that I know I could give to her, and of course it comes out Christmas time, so then I can give as like Christmas gifts things I'm not going to use. So there's kind of a method to my madness, like getting the Luxe. So I first see a Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. Okay. I probably won't use this. I don't really have too much of an issue with like blackheads and stuff. I may see if my son wants to use it. If not, then of course I'll pay it forward, give it away, put it in a giveaway, whatever. I see a Firma 203 brush. That is super cool. It's more of like a flat shader brush or packer brush. So I like that. I'm going to go ahead and stick it right here in my little brush thing. Of course, the same bag with a pretty deep teal and then kind of like the cool neon limey green. So let's dive into my bag, y'all. So of course, it's always going to be the same, you know, celebrate you. I'm not going to look at mine yet. I always get so nervous. Okay, I have something in bubble wrap as well. Let me go ahead and take it out. This is a Shayna B Miami highlighter in Guava Glow. Oh my gosh, I hope it's peachy. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I don't know if I've ever told, like, I love flamingos too. That is stunning. I am definitely going to swatch. Oh, that's soft. Okay, it's really fair though. Oh, it's pretty though. I'm excited to try it. I think if I mixed it with like my Juvia's Place Serafina blush, that's like super peachy and super orangey, it's going to be stunning with that. But already I love it, okay? I also got a Naked Cosmetics Pressed Pigment in Mother Nature. So I can actually swatch this one. Again, this packaging feels very, very light and very cheap. So again, it's like kind of a lighter champagne tone. Oh, that's very nice though. Very buttery. Okay, that's pretty neat. And then we'll give a little swatcheroo. Oh yeah, that's pretty. So I'm excited about that. I'm very excited about that. If you have more medium skin tone, you could definitely get away with using this as a highlight as well. So far I'm happy. I don't see any skincare. Well, yeah, this was skincare. Okay, next. I also feel something else in plat. Oh, it's something about Oprah. Oh my God. Y'all know I love Oprah, especially their highlights. So this, and it's actually a full-size product, I'm pretty sure. It is the bronzer in the shade Americano. It looks like a glowy bronzer, and it's super warm. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh, that's pretty. I know a lot of people don't like glowy bronzers. I live for glowy bronzers. Oh, that's really, really pretty. I'll just swatch it like right through here. Oh yeah, I like that. Of course, I'm probably a little bit too fair right now, too light for this. I'm trying to find my towel. Should we try? Should we just try a little bit? Why not? Oh, I'm scared. I'm really scared. Oh, okay. Oh, it's definitely warm, but oh, I love it. I'm going to really love this in the summertime. Oh yeah. And it's like glowy, but like not too much. It just has like a slight little luminescence to it. Oh, I love this bag so far. And my last thing is also a Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream. I'm pretty positive I tried this before and I did not like it. Like they Tatcha silk canvas was too much for me. I didn't like the scent, and it was way too thick for me. I think that's why I like the e.l.f. one. Now, if Tatcha came out with one that was slightly thinner or a more luminous type of Tatcha silk canvas, I may try it. I feel like they're overrated in my personal opinion, but I don't remember. I'll have to go back and look and see. I know that I tried the masks and stuff with this, so we'll see. But I think it was a pretty good combination. I got a brush, I got the eyeshadow, I got the little highlighter and a bronzer. That's pretty damn bomb. Okay. And then this little Blackhead O2 Bubble Pore Pack. Pore Ritual with kaolin. Which I know kaolin is really, really good, especially for acne treatment and stuff like that. So I think we both got amazing bags. I actually like the bag itself, and I don't normally like the bags. So I'm really excited. So I'm excited to go binge watch you guys and see what you guys got. Again, if you're ever, you know, kind of wondering or, you know, hey, did you try this? Did you like this? Ask me. I mean, anytime you have any questions or anything like that, please ask me. Also, my communities have opened up. I'm so excited. My first little post, I don't think anyone saw it yet. Obviously, y'all are not used to me having it, but I intend on using that, doing polls, you know, asking questions. So I'm really, really excited for that. I love both bags. I'm gonna ask her how she likes that little BB cream, or maybe see if she'll let me kind of swatch it and see how it feels, because y'all know I'm all about lighter, you know, coverage and BB/CC creams, tinted moisturizers, and SPF. So I'm excited to try that Yensa product. So that is it for today. Short and sweet. Thank you, beauties, so much for being here. If you would like to subscribe, I'd love to have you. I'd love to have you be part of my beauty family here on YouTube. And if you'll tap that notification bell right down there, then you will always get notified when I upload new content. Also, if you have any questions, concerns, anything like that, comment down below, and I will always try my hardest to answer questions, especially the first hour to 2 hours after I post. I really try to stay in my comments. I try to reply back to everybody as best I can. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.